resistance levels in the market chart. Are you with me? So what we want to discuss about today is basically helping you to understand where support levels and resistance levels are in the market. Now we are currently on the 4 hours time, the 1 hour time frame. Now on this 1 hour time frame, you all will understand, we agree with me that these points are levels of our highs, which we'll call our highs. This level, our high, our high, our high, our high. So these levels are levels of high. Now these levels are levels of lows. You understand? So these are levels of lows. So now, this is also a level of low. So now, how do you detect a support level or a resistance level? This is how you detect a support level and a resistance level. Now, you are able to detect a support level or a resistance level when you find out that at a particular point, market always tested that point, like you can see here. When market got into this point, it dropped. Market got into this point, it dropped. Got into that zone again, it dropped. Tried again, it dropped. That tells us that this is a resistance level. You understand? Now, a support level basically, it's also a low where market, whenever it got there, it reversed from it, got there, it reversed from it, got there. You can see it reversed, got it reversed currently today. So it simply tells us that that is a resistance level. So this is just an example of, I've given two examples, one of a resistance level and two of a support level. Now let's look at this particular area again. Now we can see this point. When market moved from here, it tested here and tested it again. Okay, good. So it tested here, resistance level, tried tapping, it dropped, tried tapping again, tapped it and it dropped. That is a resistance level. Now when we look at this particular point, you can see it's a level where market got into it, tested it, got into it, tested it. So this is basically what we call a support level. So a support level is what we see at the bottom, the lows that are aligning with themselves at the bottoms of the chart. While a resistance level is the highs that align with themselves at the top of our chart. So you can see this particular level. You can see my market gets into this point, it dropped. It got into this level, it dropped. It got into this level again, it dropped. It tried it again, it dropped. So that tells us that this is a strong resistance level. You understand? So that's it. We would simply still look out for more. Now, okay, good. So you can see this particular level also. We'll see. This is basically a resistance level. Why? Because when market got into this point, it dropped. Market got into that level again, it dropped. You understand? So that is how we are able to mark out resistance levels and support levels. Now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see one again, another level here. This is a support level. You can see whenever market came into that level, it pushed up, came into that level, it pushed up. So a support level or a resistance level is wherever we find 2 points or 3 points, at least a minimum of 2 points to 3 points, when market got into and reversed. See, this is a support level. Whenever market came into this level, it reversed and made its pump to the upside. So we'll look for one more resistance level and that will be it for this particular explanation. Now, we also see, what can we see? This is a strong resistance level. This is a very strong resistance level. Why? Because whenever market got into this resistance level, it dropped, got into the resistance level again here, it dropped, got into the resistance level again, it dropped, tried it again, it dropped, did same, it dropped. So this is how you are able to fix or get resistance levels in the market. You understand? Now, these resistance levels also created a support level for us here, telling us that whenever market dropped into a resistance, a support level, it pushed up, tried again, dropped into a support level, it pushed up, tried again, dropped into a support level, it pushed up. So this is basically how to mark resistance and support levels using your tool. You understand? So you can use, some persons can use a trend line, you can use a line like this to mark it, mark that level and take note of it. So all you are doing is simply just marking out that particular level using a particular form to identify and understand that, okay, when market got into this particular price levels, it always bounces. So that is how you mark your support and resistance level. So now when you use this particular tool, you have to be, when you swipe it straight, it always gives a a reaction, you understand? So you can see market got into the support, it dropped, got here, it pushed up, all of that. So it's a it's a strong level. You understand? This level is basically a strong resistance level. So that is what we have for the marking of support and resistance levels. So that is it, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace. One love.